Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi back with a new video. So today's topic is regarding our backlight and any other lights which are there on a Royal Enfield. So basically what happens is during rainy season, water enters inside our light and it will just spoil the focus. Okay. So let me show you within some time now. I'll just open my backlight cover. So I'll let you know guys how to clean it as well as how to prevent it from happening in the future. Okay. So my bike is a 2016 model. It has completed 2 years successfully. So let me see what is the condition of my focus of the brake light. Okay. Could you please zoom in? Yeah. See, there is lots of rust over here and here. So I'll let you know guys how to clean it first. Let me clean it first and then let's find a solution. Okay. So see here there will be a rubber washer which pretty much does a decent job, but actually it's not so efficient. Water will enter inside this and even dirt will enter inside this. So let's find out the solution for it to how to stop it. Okay, so first let us just clean this. Let me remove the bulb. There's lots of rust over here. I'm just using a sponge. Go back to yeah. Okay, to keep the bulb over here. And then I'm using this product. It's a turtle wax chrome polish. Okay, basically what it does is it removes the rust. So I've taken a drop of it and I'm just applying it over here. The rust has already done some extensive damage. I don't think it will go, but it can restore some of the lost shine on the focus. Okay. So I have cleaned it, and then there is some surface rust over here. Let me just try to scrape it. See, if rust accumulates on the holder over here, chances of short circuiting is more. So it's pretty much clean now. So, and then I'm using this product. It's nothing but a wax polish. Why I am using this, in future when the wax is applied on this, in future it will prevent water molecules which stays on here. Water will easily go out, and the wax will prevent this metal from rusting. That's it. Not a permanent fix, it's a temporary fix, but it will work. I take a little bit of wax polish, and not only that, it restores a little bit of the lost shine in the focus. Okay. Alright. And now I'll just clean the focus as well. A wet sponge will do the job. You need not wash it in water. A wet sponge will do the job. Okay. So my focus is clean. So this is the last step. This is the most important step. See, this is an unbound liquid gasket sealant. Okay. So it is not like other gums in the market. It is not like a Fevikwik. If we use this, I don't think that the gasket will spoil. The gasket won't spoil, but it's a bond which can be removed easily, which can be cleaned off easily, but at the same time it will stop water entering inside the focus. Okay, actually it is used to seal our oil seals and all. So I am using this Anabond and I'll apply it over here, and after that when I fix the focus back, when it dries water won't enter inside. Okay, it will do a better job than the company given rubber washer. So I'll do that now. Just take little bit in your hand and just apply it. Trust me, it won't spoil the gasket also. When it dries, it won't become hard, but it will become like a rubber sealant. So next time when we open it's easier to open the focus. Next time it doesn't act like a fast gum. In case if you, please don't use fast gum. In case if you use fast gum, definitely your gasket will spoil and it will be very hard for you to open the focus the next time when you want to change the bulb or something. Okay, now let me fix the bulb. Yes, I fix the bulb, clean it so that your fingerprint doesn't stay on it. Okay, this is the final step. Let's fix the focus back. And remember, just wipe off any excess amount of gum which is there. Okay. So this is how we can prevent water and entering inside our focus, and it will increase the lifespan of the bulb as well as it will increase the lifespan of the focus. So you need not change it every now and then. The same procedure is applied to each and every bulb, like the indicators. Actually I have done it in the past, so this is the one which I haven't done. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, to my subscribers as well as Enfield lovers on YouTube. So if you like this trick, please subscribe to my channel, please like my video, and please share my videos with fellow Enfield lovers. So that's it, guys. My focus is clean, my bulb is clean, and I have removed the rust, and I have used this Anabond sealant. And remember, don't use any fast gums, just use Anabond, okay, or any other liquid gasket sealants. Okay, so I hope you liked the trick. Please subscribe to my channel, please like my video, and please share my videos. Thank you, guys.